Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. As always, let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and we were looking this triangle pattern breakout. We had this breakout this morning. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we banked few PPs, and after that we were expecting a pullback. And let me share with you guys we have only one analysis. As you can see here, the price broken after the price breakout. As soon as the price hit to the support level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and let's see if we get another pullback, or if technically we were looking this triangle pattern breakout in 4 hour. But we have amazing trades on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys. And pound dollar, if you look at the pound dollar 4 hour chart, we have this breakout on Friday, falling wedge breakout, bank beautiful pips. This morning we were expecting another pullback, so we also had a pullback long trade here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level at the New York session, we were short, and as soon as the price hit to this level, we bank another beautiful pip. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to respect, then long here, otherwise break and short trade here. As I said to you about intraday, we look at the entries and technical violet pattern in intraday, and we take trades. Let me share with you the pound dollar intraday analysis. Okay, so as I said to you guys, we were looking at pullback long in 4 hour at this level. As you can see here, price came back and developed a double bottom and develop another symmetric triangle pattern. We have this breakout. After the breakout, as always, I explain all these trades through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful trade this morning, and at the New York session, as you can see here, that once the price developed, create a double top here at the resistance level, as you can see, explain in live. And we have another, if you look at here, we have another, sort of like a bearish flag pattern. We have this breakout. After the breakout, pullback, and I also updated that analysis instantly on the request of my traders. Look for another this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, we have another pullback. As soon as we see the price is rejecting it, you can see here many times the safest trade for us. That's what I explained to my trader through live audio commentary. If you look at here, the price develop here, and after the breakout, price retest this level. That's what I explained to trader, and develop another triangle pattern and beautiful breakout. Short trade here. After the breakout, always pull back based on the momentum. As soon as the price hit to this support level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So that's what exactly we do every single day, guys. The amazing trade we had that was the dollar CAD today. We were long, beautiful pips today, guys. Let me share with you. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we have, as soon as the price broke on this one, at the market open, I explained to my trader taking a long trade here until the price gonna hit this level, at least this level. So we had a long trade here, pull back long here. We also had a counter short trade here. And let me share with you how I analyze market. If I show you here, if you look at the market open, this is the analysis. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout. We have this breakout, and after breakout, as always, based on the momentum, pull back long trade, bank beautiful pips. And as you can see here at the New York session, explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. We have very strong bullish momentum, and the market order at this level. So we had this another pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit and look for counter trade here. Exactly as I mentioned here, you can see look for counter trade here. You can see red candle is appear, possible counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the low level, as you can see here, previously broken, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. You can see, guys, we were taking a long trade here. We have counter short trade here, and let's see what's happening now. It's look like the price is developing a double top here. As you can see, guys, we had amazing trades, especially on dollar CAD, pound dollar, bank amazing profit. We also had a very amazing trade on Aussie dollar. If you look at here, we were short here, we have another pullback. And let me share with you guys. You can see here, this was the breakout. After the breakout, pull back short trade here. If you look at in the 4-hour, price nicely respected here, and we have this breakout trade here, which, as I mentioned, intraday bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live RG commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you get funded from prop firms. If you are interested in how I help my traders, how I train and coach with the live market, and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and nice evening. Until next time, all the best.